Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through common dock maintenance for the iRobot Roomba Plus 505. If you're interested in the 505 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, take a look at the station right here. Up at the top we have two removable water tanks. Our clean water tank and our dirty water tank, both clearly labeled for you there. We'll set those to the side for a minute and you can see on the station itself we have a little drain hole right here. So make sure that's free from clog or obstructions and you can wipe this inside down and make sure these three spots, those little holes, are also free from any clogs or obstructions on the station itself. Okay, sliding that out of the way and looking at our clean and dirty water tanks, you will want to make sure that you rinse and clean out the dirty water tank periodically. If you want to add a little mouthwash in here to keep any odors at bay, you could use dental cleaning tablets, things along those lines, just to keep that as fresh as possible, especially if you're going to be going multiple days without emptying and rinsing that out. Clean water tank, not much to it here. Nothing you really have to do here. If you feel like it, every once in a while, you can rinse out the clean water tank right there. Moving further down the station, we have a removable cover right here. Just pull it out and towards yourself. What's really neat here is we actually have built-in instructions if you don't know or need help installing and removing the vacuum bag. They also have a built-in multi-purpose cleaning tool right there, the little brush and a little cutting edge for you to detangle. Here's a look at our vacuum bag. You can pull your old and full one out, discard it, use some compressed air in here if needed to clean out any crumbs or debris. Then you can take your new vacuum bag, just line it up and gently press it in place. And you'll notice they have bag storage on the side, so you can add another bag in there for safekeeping, which is really convenient. And then further down, we have our mop washing and self-empty area. You got two charging contacts. Make sure those are free from obstructions and can move and operate properly. This channel is where the contents go to self-empty, so if you ever notice anything in there, you can reach in and pull that out. At the very bottom, don't forget that this piece is removable on the ramp, so you can easily wash and rinse that. This section is not removable, so you'll have to manually clean or wipe it down, but they do have a removable filter on the inside that's really tiny, but you can grab and pull that out, rinse it out, again, wipe anything else down as needed, and then that can just go right back into the station. So it has the tiniest removable tray that we've seen right there. And then looking at the bottom of the station here, we have 4 Phillips head screws. So you can pop this channel out right here, and that's gonna be for your dirty water. So keep that in mind too. If you notice anything wrong or clogs or want to visually inspect that, you have an option here to remove this cover to get some access inside there. But that lines up right with our removable tray at the top. You have that option right there. So that's it. Simple, straightforward station to take care of.